Oh shit. Yeah.
Like manually down.
This thing sounds amazing. So it's from the catback, and this thing sounds amazing. Holy shit, yo. And like just cruising, this thing's quiet as hell. You would never expect it. I'm not sure where I'm going yet. I think this is this way, yeah. Oh yeah, tunnel. So you guys probably can't see me, but I am cheesing like from cheek to cheek. I'm overwhelmed by how this sounds. I was not expecting this. I thought it was gonna be a lot quieter than this, but now it's time for a straight pipe in the tune, and this thing will be sick. And we got a Mustang next to us. Come on, dude, you don't want it. You don't want it, man. Stop.
That's just louder than the fucking yacht.
What's up, everybody? Tyler here. So we're gonna go be picking up my brother's M5. He just got an exhaust by DunnFab, and it's a straight catback, so it does sound really good. And I'm just waiting for my boy to pick me up, and we're gonna head over there. We're gonna do a video. We're gonna get some pops. I shut the air off. See, this thing's too fancy for me, man. How the fuck you shut the air off?
I'm about to turn it. Oh fuck no.
Off.
Oh.
Oh, there. You want the ass cooler, bro?
I do.
That's in that sauce?
Yeah, it's a cat bag.
I don't know. It gotta be something else.
Not. It's a.
The way that thing sucked back in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a 4.4 liter V8 though.
Oh yeah, you said V8.
Yeah, it's my brother's car. We're doing a video for it.
Pop.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
It's like a pretty cool eye.
Cool guy. What a guy. What a guy. So Burger King. Gotta put it in crazy mode. We're gonna go do a video for you guys. We just left Burger King. It hit the spot, all right?
It did hit the spot. Them coupons were great.
The coupons were great. Where's the curb at? Yeah, what curb?
What curb? We're gonna go to the same spot I took the M2.
Yeah. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it. I'll put a link in the description. That was a good plug. You got it. They should ask for a ride, but fuck that. We don't pick up crackheads. Probably. Fuck the crackheads.
Don't follow crackheads here.
And a cop, fuck 12.
Hello, officer.
Oh! Shit, the song, bro. You can turn it up. Like, this car is the best of both worlds. You got heated seats, massage seats when you're doing 180. You got this, man.
Bro, like, what? Just turning up the volume.
You don't hold the
Alright,
speakers
let's go
up.
backwards.
So this whole time, me and Glenn were going like this. You really just have to hold the fingers like wherever the sensor is. But we're going like this. I'm over here going like this and shit, trying to change the song. Alright, you better be ripping it. Come on. Look at this big ass smile. Your Uber is
Bro,
here.
that shit's nutty. That shit's so nutty.
Alright, get in.
Oh, we're going there. Wait, unlock the door.
I don't know how.
Okay, we unlock it.
Alright, try. Yeah! Oh, it's on the door.
See that turtle?
No, shrink.
Bring him aboard. Oh, it's a snapper turtle,
Oh,
too.
it is a snapper turtle.
Let's go save this guy.
Yeah, let's go see this guy, man. Alright, yo, we're gonna go send Dan to pick this guy up. Oh, he's mad.
Yeah, he looks fucking scary, actually.
Oh, I gotta get. He's flying.
Oh, fuck me!
Were you scared, man?
Yeah, actually.
Alright,
That
we're
was
gonna do
scary.
some exhaust clips of the car real quick. Go take some pictures. The animal's okay. We put him off to the side of the road. As you guys can see, there's a lake through there,
He
so
looks broken, though.
he does look broken. Maybe you can order a new shell, I don't know. Guys probably looking at us like, what the fuck? Hello, sir. So, this exhaust is from DunnFab. It's only a catback, 3.5-inch straight pipe. It wasn't that expensive, but it was cheaper than going through a no-name brand exhaust. Like who?
Like, fucking...
Aquawitch, which is a really good brand. It's a dude with a whole bunch of A's, man. It's like fucking 16 syllables. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
I'll put the name in the video, alright? So we're thinking about going with a downpipe and a tune yet, not sure. Yes, make it more loud. Alright, we're gonna hop on 295, do some pulls for you guys, shoot the car, and then that should be the end of the video. So the drone's not that bad, even with the exhaust, so actually you can't hear it at all.
Yeah, drone ain't bad at all.
No, and we're still in sport mode, not even comfort. Which makes a little bit of difference, but fuck it.
You can barely tell the difference.
Nah, and I'm in 8th gear too. You're fucking over here shifting fucking 8 times, what would you do?
Yeah.
Right here, I'll give it a little pull.
No cars.
So that was around 1, you know, not to be exact, but it was 31 miles per hour. This car's
0.7.
fucking quick, yeah. Yeah. So this car is really fucking quick for no reason. I fucking love it.
I don't know, man. I think the Cobalt can keep up.
So, yeah, we crashed. Sorry, Glenn. He said his Cobalt can keep up. 1 through 10, what do you think about the exhaust?
Solid 7. There's a car coming. Never mind.
7.
If it popped more, it would have been a solid 9.
9. I was giving it like a 3. It's like,
Yeah, Glenn's gonna look at it. Dude, what the fuck?
Yeah, Dan, come on, you're not allowed in my car again. Now a car. I'll show you guys the tips real quick. The tips are actually really good. We got the Corsa tips. And I might be able to show you guys underneath the car. So the welds are done really nicely.
So we have a cop in the back.
Yeah. I don't know, should I downshift it or not? I'm gonna put it in comfort mode. We'll see if we can play this off. I doubt we're gonna be able to because we're just popping a little bit. We'll see what happens. It's East Greenwich. We're not in East Greenwich no more, but maybe when we went by the police station.
Oh, he's gonna found these fuckers.
Yeah. So.
Is he following us?
No.
He ain't turn out. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Guess not.
He can't do anything about it. This isn't his district no more, but I mean, he could have still pulled us over if he wanted to, but. Fuck 12. It's like.
There's a cop parked back there too.
He's not pulling out. The cops don't do anything about this car. I don't understand it because if I drive by on my bike or if he drives by in the Cobalt, we're getting pulled over for the dumbest shit ever.
Your fucking windows are tinted.
Nothing. The cop still isn't coming out. So we're gonna drive by the hood a little bit, see if we get some reactions.
Yeah.
Might have to clickbait you guys a little bit, so I apologize. Fuck it. We're gonna get shot. We're gonna run. You know.
Thought it was gonna be shots fired in the hood.
Yeah, shots fired in the hood. Oh, and the police station's right over here too, so.
There's a group of people right there. Yo, man. Yo, stop. There's a church right there. You gotta.
Oh shit, my
Come on,
bad.
Mo. Be respectful.
Your watches. Comfort mode. Oh shit.
And that's the end of it. Oh. I guess not. What?
Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be driving my brother's M5 F90 straight catback. You know what I'm saying? He gave us the keys for it, so we're going to take it out. We definitely didn't do this intro last and recorded everything before. You can't tell by the fan on the car, right?
Right, it's not hot at all.
It's not hot. We definitely didn't just go record the video and forget the intro. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Check out our Instagrams. I'll put them in the bio below. Hopefully you guys enjoy the car. 10 likes and this dude should get downpipes and a tune. What do you guys think? Actually, 1 like and he'll get downpipes and a tune. 1 like. And if you guys want to see a donut, make sure you guys comment donuts and we'll get this man doing donuts, alright?
Yes.
Alright, see you guys later.